Hello. 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 Hi, so my name is Devin and I created Bad Kardma. You might be asking, what is Bad Kardma? Like, what does that even, what is, man, who cares? What does that even mean? Yeah, okay, yeah. Let me answer those questions with some questions. Aren't you just sick of making, like, big decisions? Don't you find that life might be a little easier if you just had some direction and guidance? If you can kind of know what your future had in store, wouldn't you want to? Well, Bad Kardma is an oracle deck that can give you really offensive answers to life's big questions. A lot of time was spent carefully creating each card to appeal specifically to assholes. It works the same as any other oracle deck. It provides guidance, tells fortunes, and answers life's big questions. The difference is these fortunes are direct and not always great. In other words, highly offensive, but funny. Bad Kardma consists of 85 unique cards and a guidebook. Some of you might be wondering how to use oracle cards, and it's really quite simple. Thoughtfully shuffle the Bad Kardma deck, placing all your thoughts and intentions into the cards as you shuffle them. Once satisfied with the shuffle, simply consult the guidebook, which provides you with a variety of layouts. You can find out more about love, success, or family. There really are countless spreads to choose from. The guidebook has also provided card definitions if you find yourself confused by the result of a reading. So if you'd like the advantage of knowing your future, or just want a deck of cards to dictate your life, please just consider backing our project. It's been a lot of work and a lot of fun. And yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.